Some of you are going to relate to what I'm saying, and some of you won't care. And it's about how I've put myself under quite a lot of stress in the last 7 days. No one forced me to be under this stress. I put it upon myself. And a lot of it comes down to me always wanting to do something different with AI engines or code snippets or create solutions to help people out, mainly to help you not have to go and get a premium WordPress plugin or a solution or whatever. And there's nothing wrong with premium plugins. I do respect what a lot of developers out there do. But if you can do something with a code snippet and plug it into your website, hey, that's really good. And I think I've put myself under quite a lot of stress recently with doing the expansion of the Elementor website course, but also building up on what I've produced in the last, I don't know, what are we talking about, 14, 15 months? So last year I put out loads of code snippets and I'll probably list them somewhere on the screen. And they've gone down really, really well. People really appreciate and people are using them and it's making a difference for them. And that means a lot to me. And then I started developing some further snippets. And about a couple of months ago, I released a PDF viewer for you to view PDFs for free on your website and do loads of funky stuff with it. And then someone developed that code to do some extra stuff with it. Then I expanded on it further and I released it yesterday. Well, by the time you watch this video, it might be 2 days ago or 3 days ago or whatever. And again, people like the PDF viewer version 2. Some people did say, could we also do this? And could we do a little bit more? And what about if we thought about this feature? And I think a lot of people would have kind of gone, I'm busy. No one said you have to do this. They were just comments. And I think a lot of other people out there would have gone, yeah, we'll stick it on the roadmap and review it. I have this problem sometimes where when I feel challenged, and no one challenged me, no one says you have to do this, but when I see a challenge, I feel like I want to solve it and I will move heaven and earth to get it done. And this is how I've been since I've been a kid, with education, doing homework, wanting to achieve, wanting to satisfy teachers and my parents in my day job. Yeah, I'll help you out. Yeah, I'll do this. I can see someone struggling. I'll go and mentor someone. I'll go and train a new team. I've always felt like I wanted to be the one that, not because I want recognition, not because I want to win awards or stuff like that, because I never do win awards and I don't really get much recognition either. But if I know inside I pushed myself and I was able to do something that either people thought was impossible or couldn't be done, or there's no way we're going to hit that deadline, or we've all tried it and it's all failing, and I'm able to come at it from another angle. Anyway, look, people with the PDF viewer were saying, could we do a bit more? And in the last 24 hours, I have gone and redeveloped it. So version 2.1 would have come out. And I know a lot of people are going to look at what I've done and they're going to go, wow, this is crazy good. And I think that sometimes when I put myself under all this stress and pressure, no one's forcing me to do it. I've got to really stress this out. No one is forcing me to put myself under this pressure. Just like with the Elementor website course, I was under pressure to redevelop my filter builder and a few new stuff I've also developed with it. But why do I do it? Why do I put myself under this strain where if I don't get it done, I feel defeated? I feel like I'm not worth my worth. I feel like I've undervalued myself. And this is where, whenever I do achieve a solution, I do get quite emotional about it because I always feel like I want to make a difference. And when I know I've made a difference and I've helped someone out, and I've maybe saved you a bit of money, or I've helped you achieve something that you did not think that you could do, I feel it. It really gets to me because I know what it's like when you don't have anyone to rely upon. I'm not asking you to rely on me or anything like that, but I'm just saying from the heart, okay, I know what it's like when you want to do something and there's no one out there to help you. And people say you got to use that solution. You got to go there and ask them, and they're not free or they're not available, or the solution is like $100. You go, I don't want to spend $100 for something so minor. And when things don't work, I just don't want to give up. I want to keep going. And I'm really proud of what I've done with the PDF viewer. I'm proud of what I've done with the filter builder, which you'll see soon. But at the end of the day, if I know I've made a difference to you and I've made your life easier so you don't have to go and spend money on a premium plugin or whatever, or I have helped you to achieve something for yourself, your business, or your clients, it makes me really happy. I probably don't look happy because I'm not. I don't want to get too emotional about it, but what I'm going to say is I don't do this except that I just want to make sure I help people because when I help people, I feel like I'm helping myself as well. So, yeah.